back to the channel, guys. On tonight's episode, well, it's a snowstorm, and that is Trevor's Audi. You can probably see where this is going. We're going for a little snow adventure, I think.
Controlling it. I don't know, officer.
Yeah, no, it's neat. There's a lot of pictures I take of the cars out here, actually. So I may have wanted to buy an A4 for the winter time, but well, you know, watch, I'm sure one of these videos will explain to you why that didn't happen. So Trevor's out here in his A4 3-liter V6. It's actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this car before. So Trevor's out with us tonight, Cameron's out with us tonight. The GoPro's not picking it up, but it's basically a whiteout storm. It's a lot of fun. I love being out in this kind of weather. Long live Quattro season! No, not at all.
Jumping back.
Strata.
Strata built from the factory, bro. I wish one car company would just do that. Like, just be like, oh, here's a car that's already pre-written from the Yeah, why don't they actually? Yeah. Why don't they just waste them? I feel like Dodge would do something like that. Like, give it like a clapped out V6 Charger with a gay ass wing. And it's all-wheel drive. Yeah, like just totally the worst. Only like 3 colors available, and they're just the worst garbage. Like just the shittiest, like Dodge neon reps on it. And then they put a manual in it. Yeah, and then they actually give it a manual. But it's just like fart can from the factory. Yeah. And then yeah, that'd be.
That would be
want it.
Oh yeah, I would too.
So ironic. Yeah. This Dodge Strata build.
Should do a lap of the.
Looks like other people have already been here. Yeah,
You don't say.
Snow.
Whoa.
That's been worse.
Oh yeah?
Well, it's worse now. It's a stop sign. It's camo.
This is an undisclosed location.
I know. White stop sign. White signs.
No, we're good.
That's those guys. No. Yeah. Yeah, that's just like my old truck, that style.
Yeah.
And that, down here, I'd be out here right the fuck. Just sideways.
Oh yeah?
That car, I mean, that truck did fucking just like, I mean, well, yeah, it's a truck. They just did it so easily.
Yeah.
Especially in weather like this.
Hurt.
Yeah.
Like a
glove.
You know what's funny is like half the time we ever seen somebody do stupid shit, we know them.
Literally.
Braden knows for sure.
Yeah, Braden, yeah.
Are you saying I associate with idiots?
Yes.
Okay.
Fail. Don't worry, we'll see your evidence there, Toyota. We're gonna see just exactly what you've been doing up here.
Just whip around on him.
Yeah. Pull the 180.
So far, it's a little too normal. I'm upset.
What a pussy.
Not even as much here as
Not very much.
no. Just head for the runway there, Trevor.
Too much butter.
I wasn't scared.
Is it Theo in there?
I saw him take off this way.
Didn't go back to the opposite.
I guess the move now is we're gonna go watch some Civics in a snowy parking lot. Oh yeah, I see. Actually, I can see them right now.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, I thought we could park across the street. Very sketchy.
Oh,
it's a Chevy Cruze.
I think.
Oh, you gotta show him up.
Thank you guys for watching what I think is the first real snowy vlog of the season. If you like this video, let me know down below. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Oh, no, what I tell you to do. Yeah, if you like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.